Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about Mercury being placed in the sign of Pisces. If someone having the Mercury placed in their birth chart in the sign of Pisces, what will be the results of Mercury? First of all, we will talk about Mercury, what Mercury represents in astrology. Uh, we covered a detailed video about Mercury in Planet series, but here we will also discuss about Mercury, what Mercury represents in generally in astrology. Mercury represents communication, gossiping, messaging, conveying message from conveying messaging is seen from Mercury. Mercury represents your calculative, analytical mind. Quick intelligence is seen from Mercury. Mercury, you represent your skin related, all the scenarios represented by Mercury, like if someone having the bad skin disease is seen from Mercury. Mercury also represent like quick ideas, your gossiping, your communication related matter. All of these things is seen by Mercury, etc., etc. Now let's talk about Pisces sign. If we talk about natural zodiac belt in chronological order, Pisces sign comes on the 12th number. So Pisces sign is the last sign of the zodiac belt. Mercury doesn't feel comfortable in the sign of Pisces because Pisces sign is considered as debilitated sign for the Mercury. Because Pisces sign represent deep thinking, Pisces sign represent imagination, Pisces sign represent spirituality. By all the deep thinking, like Pisces sign represent deep water. All the Because Pisces sign is the water sign, and Pisces sign represent deepest thinking, deepest water. So Mercury doesn't feel comfortable because Mercury like to gossip. Mercury like to quick ideas. Mercury doesn't interested into the imagination, like deep thinking, deep analyzing. So all of these significance of Pisces sign makes Mercury uncomfortable in the sign of Pisces. So if someone having the Mercury placed in the sign of Pisces in their birth chart, they might have lacking in their communication ability because maybe they don't like to talk much, they don't like to gossip a lot, their friends may complain about them. You are not a talkative person. Basically, these people are thinking a lot and deep thinking, and Mercury quick intelligence, and Mercury their analytical mind and calculative mind get stuck in the deep thinking. So they can't correlate with the gossiping and communication related matter, daily basis communication. Now, how bad your Mercury will be in your birth chart is seen from the Lord of your Pisces sign, which is Jupiter. We also need to see where the Lord of the Pisces sign is placed in your birth chart if you want to assess the result of Mercury in the sign of Pisces. Let's suppose if the Lord of your Pisces sign Jupiter is placed in some friendly sign like placed in the sign of Sun, placed in the sign of Saturn. All the planets have the friendly relationship with the Jupiter. So, if Jupiter is placed and not receiving the aspect of any naturally uh, malefic planet and receiving the aspect of some good planet, then we can expect you will have difficulties in your communication in your Mercury related matter, whichever houses are Mercury controlling in your birth chart. But eventually, in the end, after the maturation age of Mercury, you will have a lot of ease regarding your communication, regarding your gossiping related matter, and your quick intelligence and analyzing matters. Mercury is placed in the sign of Jupiter. If Jupiter perform well, then you will also get the good result regarding your Mercury related matter. Secondly, if Mercury is placed in the sign of Pisces and it is in the debilitated state but receiving the aspect of some positive planet like Moon and Venus and Jupiter itself aspecting Mercury in your Pisces, and then you will have a lot of ease, you will have a lot of support regarding your communication related matter. Means think there will be a lot of ease due to aspects of some naturally benefic planet onto your debilitated Mercury in your birth chart. On the counterpart, if Mercury is receiving the aspect of naturally malefic planet placed in its debilitated state and also receiving the aspect of some malefic planet for like Saturn, like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. In this case scenario, you will have a lot of difficulties regarding your communication related matter. Whenever someone try to communicate you, you will also daydream a lot. You will have a lot of difficulties in your communication abilities and your calculative analytical abilities. You will have bad grades in your maths, and you will have a lot of difficulty in day-to-day communication related matter, and you will not interested into gossiping, etc., etc. This thing leads to aggressive communication due to aspects of naturally malefic kind onto your depleted Mercury in the sign of Pisces in your birth chart. So these are the simplest way and basic way to assess your Mercury if someone having the Mercury placed in the sign of Pisces in their birth chart. Our today's video, Mercury in the sign of Pisces, ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.